So you should tell everyone what's your name.
Okay. And then what will they tell me?
Yeah, just go tell everyone what's your name.
I don't know what everybody's name is now.
Your name. What's your name?
Lexi.
And how old are you?
4.
And where do you live?
And COLLAB.
And what country?
I don't know. What fancy mum?
New Zealand.
I'm in New Zealand. New Zealand.
So why do you want to have a YouTube channel? Why do you want to have videos?
So I can like see what I can do with my maiden and stuff.
With your what?
And maiden and makeup stuff.
Amazing makeup stuff.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Let's make like stuff that's it will stick to something.
So do you know what day it is today?
No.
It is Sunday.
The donors can go get me a leotard.
Get you a what?
A leotard.
A leotard?
Yeah.
What's it for?
So I can do gymnastics and don't get hot.
Oh,
That's cool.
it's cool colour.
Yeah. No, do you know what colour I like closing? I like closing that one.
Which one?
That one, like, I missed that.
Do you know what this is?
What? Powder.
This is a Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Now you're done.
No. Hey, look at mine. Okay. What do you want to be when you grow up?
Like that makeup thing. I can do your makeup every day.
My makeup.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Close your eyes.
Okay.
So you want to be a makeup artist?
Yeah. Mom, can I be a hairdresser and a makeup one?
Yeah, you can be whatever you want to be. Do you know that?
No.
Close your eyes.
Can I be a girl, please?
Yeah.
Well.
You can seriously be whatever you want to be, babes.
And don't tell anybody.
All you've got to do is tell yourself. Are you excited for candy tomorrow?
Mm-hmm.
Are you
What
gonna
else the candy?
Are you gonna play with that candy tomorrow?
Alexia.
Alexia.
Alexia's my best friend at the candy.
Oh, is she? Close your eyes.
Okay.
That's cool, eh?
Yeah.
It's good to have a best friend, eh?
Yeah, like everybody's got best friends.
Yeah. Sometimes some people's best friends are themselves. Who do you think Mummy's best friend is?
Auntie, Mummy and Gilly.
Do you like this side?
Yeah. Do I have different colour eyes? Like what that boy was doing on your phone?
Yeah, James Charles. He's incredible, hey?
Yeah. You need this blush?
Greeny colour, hey? Sorry. What does it feel like?
like when it's hurting me, like it looks like it's stickless to me. Tetanus, parrot, or naughty buses. Do you know all the people's name in this field?
No.
Do you know some people's name?
Yeah.
Am I all done?
Nearly.
Yes, that you. I think stop.
Is there any last thing you'd like to say to people? What?
That you can do heaps of fun stuff.
Yeah. You can, because you can do whatever you want to do. You can believe that you can do whatever you want to do.
Yeah, and you can have a picnic. Amen.
Yeah.
Then you can hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. And can I watch some NAKEDUP movies after you do a video? And then can I watch this NAKEDUP up and start following them? Now, are you ready to watch NAKEDUP movies? Now can I watch NAKEDUP movies, Mom?